10.3, Example 4. In this example, we're going to look at how to convert polar coordinates into rectangular coordinates and how to convert a polar equation into a rectangular equation. The equation that I'm going to be working with is r is equal to 4 sine of theta. So there's a couple tricks when it comes to polar in order to turn them into Cartesian and rectangular equations. And one of them is we're definitely going to need to remember that x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. This right here, this is our equation of a circle. So, ideally, I'm going to want to try to get an r squared in here. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by r. So I get r squared is equal to 4r sine of theta. Now there is something else you need to remember, and this is back from parametric functions, is that x is equal to r cosine theta, and y is equal to r sine of theta. So right here, I have an r sine of theta, and my goal is to have no r's and no thetas. Well, I have r sine of theta is equal to y, so this becomes r squared equals 4 times y. And now what we have to do is get rid of this r squared. Well, over here I have that r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. So then this is going to become x squared plus y squared is equal to 4y. And now all I have to do is go ahead and just simplify this down into an equation that we can recognize. Now 4 sine of theta is going to be a circle of radius 4. I know this from the graphs we just made earlier. In fact, I know it's going to look something like this, with the center being up here at 0, 2. So, in order to do this, we're going to have x squared plus y squared, and I'm going to subtract the 4y from both sides. And at this point, I'm going to have to complete the square on this piece. So I need to add 4 to both sides of my equation. And I get x squared plus y squared minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 4. So this is going to be x squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 4. Well, in order to find a center of a circle, we have to remember our original equation, which is x minus h squared, y minus k squared equals r squared. And our center of a circle is h comma k, and our radius is just r. So here, I get the center of this circle is going to be 0, 2, and I get r is equal to 2. So then we have to write a little sentence with what shape and where it is. So r equals 4 sine of theta is a circle with radius 2, and centered at the point 0,